Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about the summation notation or sigma notation. Before talking about this part, we must know what is the summation sign or what is a sigma sign. Sigma sign or summation sign written as a Greek sign, written as this sign. And we write down I equals to 1 and up in till to n. Here I take the values 1, 2, 3, 4 till to n, and n is called the index. If you want to find the summation for AI, we have many terms, or we have the sum of many terms. Start from I equals to 1, then it will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus till to AN. For example, if you have the summation for 3i from I equals to 1 till to 5, how to get this summation? By applying this rule. Then we replace I with the value of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And it will be 3 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 5. It's going to be 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15. It's going to be 3 plus 6, 8, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 12, 30 plus 45, it will be 45. Okay, but we have different formulas will help me to find the summation values. The first one, summation for any constant from I is equal to 1 till to n. It will be c multiplied by n. Then you will multiply this constant. C is constant. Okay, how to apply? Example 1. Summation 7 from I is equal to 1 till to 6. Then you will multiply 7 by 6. It will be 42. Example 2. If you have from I is equal to 5 till to 12 for 9, then how many terms here? From 5 to 12, here we don't start from 1. Then the number of terms here, 12 minus 5, it will be 7. Then add 1. Then here 12 minus 5 plus 1. It will be 9. 12 minus 5 will be 7 plus 1 will be 8. Then 9 multiplied by 8 it will be 72. The second formula is number 2. The summation for I from I is equal to 1 till to n. It will be what? If you expand it directly, you will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till to n. But if you have the final summation for these values, you will get n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. And we can prove this formula, but in another time. Here, how to apply this formula? Find or evaluate summation I from I is equal to 1 till to 7. It will be here 7 multiplied by 7 plus 1. Okay, divided by 2. It will be 7 multiplied by 8 divided 2. It will be what? 7. 8 divided 2, it will be 4 multiplied by 7. It will be 28. Okay, another example. Summation from I is equal to 1 till 200 for I. It will be what? It will be 100 multiplied by 101 divided 2. Then it will be 50 multiplied by 101. It will be here 0 and 5 multiplied by 1, 5, it will be 5050. The third formula is the summation for I square from I is equal to 1 till to n. It will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus till to n square. But this sum at the end, it will be n multiplied by n plus 1 multiplied by 2n plus 1 divided by 6. How to apply this formula? Evaluate, for example, evaluate summation I square from I is equal to 1 till to 5. And then here n is 5. We start from 1 like that formula. Then it will be 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1, it will be 6. 2 multiplied by 5, it will be 10 plus 1, it will be 11. Divided by 6, cancelled here. Then 6 multiplied by 11, it will be 55. Okay. The next, number 4, summation for I cube from I is equal to 1 till to n. If you expand it, it will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus till to n cube. Or if you find this sum, it's going to be what? N square multiplied by n plus 1 all square but divided by 4. Or you can write it as n multiplied by n plus 1 divided to all square. I think this is the square for the summation for I. For example, here to apply this rule, summation from I is equal to 1 till to 4 for I cube. It will be what? It will be 4 square. Here 4 multiplied by 4 plus 1, it will be 5 square divided by 4. 4 square, it will be 16, or 4 square divided 4, it will be 4. 5 square, it will be 25. 4 multiplied by 25, it would be 100. We have another formulas. We can distribute the summation sign if we have ai plus or minus bi from I is equal to 1 till to n. We can distribute this summation sign about the first and the second nth term here. Then it will be summation ai from I is equal to 1 till to n plus or minus summation bi from I is equal to 1 till to n. By the same way, we can denote summation for ai bi, the product of them. When ai is equal to 1 till to n, it will be summation ai multiplied by summation bi from I is equal to 1 till to n in the two submissions. Okay, and we can distribute about the division. Summation ai divided by bi from I is equal to 1 till to n. It will be summation ai divided by summation bi from I is equal to 1 till to n in these sums. How to apply these rules? Expand or evaluate, summation from I is equal to 1 to 4 for 2 minus I all square. Here from 1 to 4 we have only 4 terms. Then we can expand it directly. 2 minus 1 all square plus 2 minus 2 all square plus 2 minus 3 all square plus 2 minus 4 all square, and get the values here. 2 minus 1, it will be 1 square, it will be 1. 2 minus 2, it will be 0 here. 2 minus 3, it will be negative 1. Negative 1. Then here, it will be 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 minus 4, it will be negative 2 squared will be 4, then their sum it will be 6. We have many examples about this before, and we studied this summation notation to help us to study the area under the graph of the curve of a function. If you have a function like this and I want to find the area from 0 to a, this region, this summation notation will help us to get this area by using calculus. And we will complete this lesson in another video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.